What if I tell you you could land a high paying job without doing DSA, solving 300 lead code problems, and without sitting through traditional interviews? Sounds impossible, right? But was it a gamble? Yes. So, hello. I interned at American Express Bangalore and received a PPO offer from them, doing just that. And in this video, you will learn how. So let's first try to rethink what the companies actually want. YouTube is full of DSA tutorials to get into FANG companies. College students all over India prepare DSA for months, but third party helpers make this competition less fair than ever. But let me tell you, not all companies hire that way. There are many companies जिनको ये फर्क पड़ता है कि तुम real life problem solve कर सकते हो कि नहीं over some puzzles. Especially in fintech, startup, and many product-based companies. These companies mainly care about four things. Can you actually build a solution? Can you collaborate and build it in a team? Are you exposed to modern tech stack? And can you apply your problem solving skill to solve real world problems which involves real users? Personally, I never vibed with DSA. I really liked building products. So I found a alternate path to landing a job. Personally, मेरे को किसी ने नहीं बताया था सेकेंड ईयर में कि ये भी path exist करता है. But instead of the DSA and coding contest round every day, you can follow this path instead also. Search for hackathons with prizes like job offers or internships. You can follow newsletters like Unstop, YouTube channels like Ash Goel, and be part of communities which provides opportunities on a daily basis and be actually active in that. Also look out for scholarship based programs who fund real life ideas. So इस kind of scholarship में you initially pitch an idea and get the initial funding required for that pitch. So मेरे केस में मैंने हुंदे होप स्कॉलरशिप के थ्रू अपने BTP आइडिया में फंडिंग्स रिसीव की थी. You can do that too by just searching and be active in this scholarship kind of fundings. And the next step is to just start. Even if you don't have skills to build anything yet, doesn't mean you would never have that skills. So learn while building anything new. And why not just host it, document it, and share it? Always have a companion with you who shares the same mindset. And usually, ऐसे opportunities में you have to make a team. So while making a team, there is one thing that most of the people overlook, and that is how well you can perform as a team. The skill matters, but teamwork is something that matters even more. एंड ये एक ऐसा लेसन है जो मैंने लिटरली एक्सपीरियंस करके सीखा है. Some risk can take you to extraordinary results. But that doesn't mean you just have to take risks without a plan B ready. You will understand this point better when I will explain how I did it. I took part in American Express Makeathon, and there were no college restriction, branch restriction, or year restriction. Anyone from any college, any year, and any branch can enter that as long as they are a girl. So अगर मेरे को पूरा hackathon experience in brief बताना है, so first of all we saw the problem statement. It was really high end and we had no idea how to build it. So we first procrastinated as any other colleger would do. But finally we selected the problem statement when the deadline approached. We submitted our idea and was selected, but we still had no idea how to actually build it. So we put on all the effort and learned everything from scratch and build it. We followed a very unique way of presenting our idea and secured second position and also an internship offer. सो द कैच इज जब हम ये सब काम कर रहे थे तब हमको ट्रेडिशनली DSA करना चाहिए था, बिकॉज जैसे ही हमारे समर वेकेशंस ख़त्म होते हमारे OS शुरू होने वाले थे एंड ये हैकाथॉन हमारा फुल 1 मंथ लिया. बट वी टुक अ गैम्बल हियर ओनली दैट वी विल फोकस ऑन दिस, but it definitely paid off and we landed the internship and the job offer and skipped the whole on-campus internship season as well as placement season. But it won't be a gamble for you. मैं ये वीडियो इसलिए बना रही हूँ कि आपको पहले से ही पता चले इस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में and you start preparing from this moment onward. At last,
Just remember, number one, utilize your strengths and don't just follow the crowd. Number two, build and learn. Number three, join hackathons and collaborate. Number four, take calculated risk and be consistent with your growth.
So, in the next video, I will be breaking down the exact steps I followed in this hackathon, from ideation to planning strategy to presentation strategies. They were really unique. That's why we won that hackathon, and I want to share it with all of you so you can ace any competition you take part in. So, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.